Hey, Online Falcons. I thought I would do another day of video instructions to help with what we are working on. So today we are going through and focusing on finishing our stories. So I would go back into Drive and find your story in Drive so that you don't lose any of your work. If you click again in Schoology, it forces you to make a new copy. So I have my copy here. Today, what we are focused on, yesterday you did the prediction and you did the summaries per page. Today, you're gonna read the story again. Hopefully you kind of already have an idea of what the theme is because you've read the story once. So today you're gonna go back and you're gonna focus on seeing where you think the author was putting in clues to the theme. So what I did is I noticed that the author put a clue right here. So I dragged over the highlighting tool. I highlighted that, and then in the orange arrow, I kind of summarized what they were saying into my own words so that when I'm ready, I can explain what the theme is. And I did that in a couple places. So I'm going to go through, and in every page, I'm going to find a place where I think they're working with the theme and identify it, okay? So my story was 5 pages long. I should have at least 5 places where the author was developing the theme throughout the story. Then at the very bottom, you'll talk about the theme phrase. So you'll tell me what moral or lesson the author wanted you to take away and 3 pieces of evidence, okay? Then you'll read the story one more time, and this time you're going to look for connections. So you'll drag a green arrow over and you'll look for a connection, and you'll do this on every page. So notice how there's tons of markings all over my page because I've tried to find connections. Now, I want about 5 connections. So if you found 2 connections on one page and 0 connections on the other on a second page, is that okay? Yes, but the goal here is about 5 places with theme development and about 5 connections, okay? Make sure that when you're doing theme development, you're also highlighting in the text what you're referring to. And then make sure that you've completed this final theme box, okay? I'll be on during 6th hour. If you need me, don't hesitate to log into the Google Meet. I'm also available via email and Thursday morning from 7:45 to 8:15 if you need me, okay? All right, see you later.